Because today I woke up at around 1:30 and then I couldn't manage to go back to sleep again. It happens all the time. I'm gonna charge my phone, I'm gonna wake up now. It's already like 4:10. Al, morning. Come here. Good morning. Good morning. What date is today? Yep. We cannot celebrate your birthday on the 18th. So let's celebrate it today. You wanna go to the beach? We're gonna go to the beach today. Where's your money? Okay, let's go. About to leave. We're gonna meet all of the girls outside. We will prepare a little bit more than we're about to leave so that we can eat a little breaky there.
Ito lang.
Nandito na sila. Yay!
Ready ka na?
Hello!
Baka naman naramugin.
Kilala mo si Raysha? Alam mo ba tita mo yan? Talaga ang sinusundan niya, oh.
Saan? Oh. Nakalagaan.
Gonna go now. Our food is here. We're gonna ride truck. Then we're gonna ride bus. Kate, tayo-tayo lang eh. Ba't mo sinama tatay mo? Pero kami sa PICC. Niremind ko sila na mag-save na screenshot ng QR code. Kaya nakalimot.
Pumunta rito na pang masawa. Grabe, pagpuntada na.
We have a little bit of walking to do. Sa bandang dulo pa yung pier. Nagkasalubog na natin si Tita mo Camille straight from Makati. And since it's morning, hindi pa masyadong mainit and we enjoyed the view. Hanggang dumating kami doon sa pier. Welcome sa aking yate. Mamili ka lang dyan kung ano yung gusto mong sakyan. Left or right. Meron tayong free food, free wine, free cheese. So, umalis na yung ferry ng 7. We got our seats. So, fully air-conditioned yung lower deck and then yung upper deck nila is open. And a few minutes after, nagpa-accept na sila sa taas. Everyone is free to go upstairs to take pictures. They usually have 5-minute limit, pero since hindi naman ganun karaming tao, hindi naman siya ganun ka-crowded. Everyone just stay there and just enjoy the wind. It's really nice. Lagay na kami ng sunscreen. We are going down. Pero walang data sa lugar na ito eh. The weather is really nice. Still hot, a little bit cloudy. Why are you gonna look for birds?
Because I love them.
So, hanapin muna natin yung locker.
Alam ko, nabili natin sa
Magtanong tayo. Hindi ko yung na-expect na ganun karami yung tao kasi hindi pa official holiday, pero marami na rin tao. There's bar, so pwede ka rin mag-drinks. Hindi kabana sa paligid. There's live music. You can sit everywhere. Sadly, hindi kami nakaabot sa locker, so we have to bring everything. Ang haba ng pila sa locker. Para kami na bato-bating yun. Slide, oh. Kita mo mataas, oh. Pwedeng tumangke, ha?
Nauna!
Ha? Ako muna. Bibidyoan muna kita. Ay, sila na. Yun na.
Sab daw, sab!
Hala!
Nabigas ako.
Kami na lang. cream. You?
Fold. Fold.
Ano, Mikoy?
Ano masabi mo? Pinapad ko, di ba? Pero yung bukakang-bukaka ko, baka nakita yung sili na may team ko dun. First time ko tong nag-water-slide ng ganyan.
Oo.
Nanalo ka talaga. Hindi ko talaga ginagawa yun.
Paano yan? Pag enchanted.
Hindi, pass na. Ayoko na pala ito kasama.
Pagod na kami. Ngayon kakain na kami. Pag umulan na yan, shuttle. Musta ang laro?
Naglit lang siya.
Hindi, natatawa ko kasi Nono. Ano? Natatawa ko. Kasi yung ito na Ay!
Sabihin mo na lang, sana yumaman si Mami.
Yun. Sabi mo kay mami mo. Galit na galit ka, right?
Batang ano, sinasaksak eh.
Eh, ikaw na
Ako na kayo.
Yeah.
lang. Kasi ikaw naman tatapasin ng
Going to the inflatable play area. Okay.
Hello guys! Say hi to my vlog.
Dito lang po ako.
Gusto ko kahit sa logo.
Uwi na. Doon pa kami galing. Doon. Hindi na namin nabidyohan lahat. Paano namin mabibidyohan? Ang buong katawan namin eh, gumagalaw. Ayun na ang aming boat. Thank you po. Ayun sila, Kate.